In this exercise, we are going to start with this image of the day sky, this image of the night sky. We are going to use this drawing as a reference, and we will end up with this result. Place. Exercise 7. Click on the drawing, check template and place. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw the circle. I go to ellipse tool, gonna set the fill to none, press shift and draw a circle like this. And I'm gonna swap fill and stroke. Next, I'm gonna write the text day. Go to type tool and make one click. Gonna change the font to Arial, font style to black, and size, I'm gonna increase this up to 400 points. I select the text and I'm gonna write day. I go to paragraph and I'm gonna change this to align center. I'm gonna select this and put it where it needs to be. I'm gonna select both of these and I'm gonna make sure they are aligned. So I click here, align, horizontal, align, center. They are aligned. I'm gonna select both. Now I'm gonna duplicate, press Alt, and I make a copy like this. Make sure I stay on the same horizontal line, like this. I'm gonna go to type tool and I'm gonna change this text from day to night. I'm gonna select both of these and make sure they are aligned. Yes, they are aligned. Now I no longer need the template. I can hide it. And now I'm gonna bring the two images. I go to file, place. I select image 1, image 2. I'm not gonna check anything and I'm gonna click place. One first click to bring the first image and one second click to bring the second image. I'm gonna select both of these images, press Alt, I'm gonna duplicate, I'm gonna need these later. I go to this image, gonna change its place. I'm gonna right click, go to arrange and click send to back. It must be behind the circle. Now I select both the circle and the image, right click, and I'm gonna click on make clipping mask. And just like that, we have the result we wanted, but it's very important that the image is behind the circle, otherwise it won't work. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Right click, arrange and send to back. I select both, right click, make clipping mask, or I can go to object, clipping mask, and then click on make, just like this. Using the direct selection tool, I can move the image inside the circle like this, and I can do the same thing here. I'm gonna go back to selection tool. I'm gonna do the same thing here with the text. I put the image right here, right click, arrange, send to back, and make sure it's behind the text. I'm gonna select both, right click and click on make clipping mask. Same thing I'm gonna do here. Right click, arrange, send to back. I select both the text and the image, right click, and I click on make clipping mask. The exercise now is finished. You go do the same and don't forget to save.